Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to delete the old WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. Let's get started. Disclaimer: this method is a temporary hack and may not always work depending on your device, and WhatsApp version use at your own risk. So here are the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Disconnect your internet. Just turn off your Wi-Fi or turn on the airplane mode to disconnect your device from the internet. Then change the device date and time. Open the settings app and go to General and Date and Time. Turn off Set Automatically and set the date and time and just a few moments after messages was originally sent. Then delete the message. Open the WhatsApp and go to the chat with the message you want to delete. Tap and hold the message. Then tap the trash icon and select Delete for everyone and confirm deletion. Then to restore correct settings, go back the date and time settings and turn on set automatically again. Then turn off the airplane mode and reconnect to Wi-Fi and mobile data. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an old WhatsApp message for everyone even after a normal time limit. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.